Hi and welcome to Howtech Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to highlight and delete duplicates in Google Sheets. Through conditional formatting in Google Sheets, you can color code duplicate entries in the entire spreadsheet to easily spot them. Let's say you are working on a large spreadsheet and want to quickly spot and remove duplicate entries. For that, we will be using two different options within the format dropdown over here. To start off, you need to select the column where you want to find the duplicate records in. For now, let's select a single column and open up the Format drop-down menu. From here, select the Conditional Formatting option. This will open up the Conditional Format Rules window. In the Format Rules section, open up the drop-down menu, scroll down, and select the Custom Formula option. Over here, we would use the count if formula, where we will define the range of the data and the criteria. So let's start the formula with an equals to sign, followed by typing count if. Next, let's enter the opening bracket followed by the range for this column. After that, let's enter the criteria followed by closing the brackets. Basically, we want Google Sheets to highlight all cells where the same data is appearing more than once. Therefore, we will enter greater than 1 in the formula. The conditioning formatting counts how many times a cell text string appears in the list. If it's more than 1, the formula returns true, and those cells are being highlighted over here. You can even highlight duplicate records in multiple columns. For that, let's cancel this formatting for now and select these 3 columns here. Now, let's click on Add Another Rule option here. Like we did before, simply select the Custom Formula option and enter the COUNTIF formula. The only difference here would be the range. Over here, we will set the range from column B till column D. You can see that the duplicate records are highlighted in all 3 columns. To delete duplicate records, make sure you have selected the columns from where you want to remove duplicate entries from. Next, open up the Data drop-down menu and click on Remove Duplicates. From here, make sure all the columns are selected. Simply click on Remove Duplicates, and all duplicate entries within the section will be removed. That's all. Would you like to know about any particular Google Sheets feature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.